Windows says there was a problem resetting your PC. Here are 11 fixes, from the easiest to the most advanced.
First, find out if you're affected. Check your Windows version. Then open Update History and look for KB50777212 or KB5079420. If you see them, the next fix is the official one.
Fix 1, the official fix. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Windows installs KB5079471, a safe OS update that repairs the recovery environment. No restart is needed.
If Windows Update doesn't offer it, search KB5079471 on the Microsoft Update catalog, download the .msu file and run it, then verify. Reagent info shows the status is enabled, and the Get WinRE version script reports WinRE version 10.261.8031.
Fix 2. Uninstall the buggy Hotpatch. Open Update History. Click Uninstall Updates. Remove KB5079420 and restart. Or run WUSA with the uninstall flag.
Fix 3. Reset from the recovery environment instead of settings. Open System, Recovery, Advanced Startup, and click Restart Now. Choose Troubleshoot, then reset this PC.
Fix 4. In the Reset wizard, pick Keep My Files. Then choose Cloud Download instead of Local Reinstall. Windows downloads a fresh copy, which bypasses a corrupted local image. You need internet.
Fix 5. Fix problems using Windows Update. Click Reinstall Now. It repairs Windows while keeping your files, apps, and settings.
Fix 6. Repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator, run DISM Restore Health, then SFC Scan Now. Restart and try the reset again.
Fix 7. Restart Windows RE. Run reagentc info, then disable and enable it. If the recovery partition is broken, point it back with set reimage.
Fix 8. Startup Repair. From the recovery environment, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and choose Startup Repair.
Fix 9. System Restore. Pick a restore point from before the failing update and let Windows roll back recent changes.
Fix 10. A repair install. Mount the Windows 11 ISO run setup.exe and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. Windows reinstalls itself and refreshes the recovery environment.
Fix 11. The last resort. A clean install. Back up your files, create a bootable USB with the media creation tool, boot from it, and choose Custom Install. Format the Windows drive and install fresh.
Why does this happen? In August 2025, and again in early 2026, Windows updates broke the recovery environment. The hidden Windows that runs the reset, a corrupted recovery image, disabled WinRE, or corrupt system files cause the same error.
Start with Fix 1, the official update. Then try the recovery environment reset with Cloud Download. Only go to the Repair install or Clean install if nothing else works. Always back up first.
That's all 11 fixes. If this helped, like and subscribe, and check the Release Health dashboard after the next update. See you in the next one.